Hey everybody, welcome to my video today. So I'm going to do a real quick short video on security keys. So the one I'm looking at today is going to be the Yubikey. So here it is right here, if you can see it in focus. There we go. Yeah, it's a very good key. So we're going to go into setting it up, how to set it up with Azure AD, and just do a quick demo of it really. Really good, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So getting started with setting up security keys within your environment is very simple. All we need to do is go to portal.azure.com and go to Azure Active Directory, where you come to this page here, link up there, and I'll put it up into the video. So first things first, we just need to go down to security down at the bottom, click on there, and on the left hand side we look and we see authentication methods. So we click on there. And as you can see, if we've got the FIDO2, I think that's how you pronounce it, security key, we see at the moment in my environment that's not enabled. So we click on there and press enable. So we go to yes. So if you notice here, we've got the option here to target all users, or we can target selected users. So if you only want certain users to be able to go onto it, we can go to select users and we can add the users individually or add them via groups. But for this instance, we're just going to go to all users because I'm the only user in the environment, really. So let's just press save. So that's actually done now. Your organization is now able to use security keys and also be able to use this very cool Yubikey. So that's how we do it. Now let's move on to how you set it up for a user. So again, setting up for a user is very simple. So it kind of depends on if the user is already authenticated into Azure previously or not. So if they're a brand new user, they can set up a security key from the get-go, from first login when they set up their authentication methods. But if not, it's really simple for a user to enroll. All they need to do is go to myprofile.microsoft.com. And here you get all of your normal profile stuff. But we need to go to security info. So if I click on updates info, I will then get a list of all of my current security authentication methods. So to select the key itself, we wait for it to load, a bit slow here, and we go to add sign-in method. When we add a sign-in method, I can choose my method below. So I'm going to go down to security key. Pretty simple. And I press add. And I'm going to go to NFC device because my Yubikey here is an NFC device. I'm going to press and click onto it. So I need to have my key ready, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to plug that into my device. Oh, if I don't drop it. Plugged into my device. I'm going to press next. So the PC is going to redirect me to a new window to finish the setup. Again, all quite easy, quite simple to set up. So I'm going to set up a key to sign me into login.microsoft.com as john@johnjarvis.co.uk, and the request comes to MSH. So we've got lots of information onto that. So let's press OK. We're going to continue setup and press OK again. So I'm going to give it a security key. So I'm going to go give it a secure key. So when I log on to into Azure AD, I've got my security key, and also this is here what I think is well slick, really good, is you touch your security key. So a little gold round thing you can see on the key, all you got to do is you touch that right there, and as you can see, it goes in and sets it up right away. So after a little bit of loading, we'll be asked to give our key a name. So I'm just going to give it the Yubikey1 name because I'm going to set up a second key later for backup purposes. So let's press next. And you can see it's all set. The security key set, and I can actually start to use it. So we press done, and you can see the security key now is in part of my security methods. Cool, so let's see what it actually looks like. Cool, so now we're on to portal.office.com and we're going to sign in with myself. So I'm in a private session, so I'm not logged in or authenticated any chance. We can see what it looks like for a first time login experience. So we can either type in my name here, john@johnjarvis.co.uk, or we can go down to sign in options. We can sign in with a security key, and then man, it pops up here, sign in with security key. So I've pressed security key. So this one here is going to be it's going to be Windows Hello, but I'm going to go and sign in with my security key. So now I can put in my PIN code and press OK. And now it's going to ask me to touch my security key. So I touch the security key. It's going to ask me to log into which account to log into. So I've got 2 other accounts down here which I've already set up the Yubikey for, and I'm just going to press OK on the one that I want. So I join at John Jarvis and press OK. So look, that's really simple. So guys, that is how you set up and log into your Microsoft 365 portal or Azure portal using just this Yubikey. And as I said, you touch this gold little thing here and it logs you in. It's really slick, really simple, and very, very secure. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time for hopefully another one. Take care.